Hi, this is Dr. Jenny Mitchell, and I just want to get you started out on this assignment so that you even know where to look for the information. I'm in the St. Mary of the Woods Information Technology office, and I'm going down here to the technology discount. And under the technology discount, there's some things there you may want to read because you can get discounts of software and hardware and so on, and even the additional software that's listed here. So, but I want you to actually look at the Microsoft Office 365, and you click here for the instructions and it'll bring it up. And the reason I'm showing it to you from this location is because this is where they will always keep it updated. What we're going to do is we want to go to the portal. So I'm going to open that link into a new tab and go up here and look at this. And because I've been working on my computer, it already recognizes me. But if not, it would actually have you sign in, and you want to use your St. Mary of the Woods account. Now, you already may be familiar with this to install your Office apps, because this is where you go to install them. But what you may not know is that you can explore all your apps. And so there is OneNote, there's Digital Class Binder, there's all kinds of these. Some of these you'll already know, your PowerPoint and so on. But what I'd like you to do is go down here until you get to, and you know you may see some others here that you want to actually explore. But I want you to look at the Power BI. And so I want you to click on Learn More here, and this is going to bring you into a basically an understanding of what Power BI is, and actually BI stands for Business Intelligence, and these are Microsoft certified trainers that are bringing this information to us. And as you can see, I've gone through these. So once you go through the introduction and you go through this learning, basically what they have in text, they also show you in video. So whether you're a visual learner or you are a text, if you can read by text and pick it up as well, then you have that option. But I want you to read through this Power BI information. I'm going to be putting some of my videos in there as well. But essentially all Power BI, it's like, think of your dashboard assignment, but with Power BI, you can upload the data and actually make your interactive dashboards available to the public. Now because we're in a closed community, in other words, we're in the St. Mary of the Woods community, only those of us that have that SMWC address are going to be able to see a public dashboard. And that kind of makes sense, because basically it would make sense only your organization would see it. Now, it's not to say there's not ways to make it public, but for our purposes, that's just so you know that's what it is. It's taking the application of a dashboard and taking it to like a level on steroids, but in the cloud. And I'll just stop there, and that'll kind of give you an overview and at least let you know where you go to get it. And also, just so you see this, you know, I've got sign up free or sign in. I can sign in here, and it brings up my Power BI. And as you can see, I already have some things in my workspace. You may not, but I have some things in there. And so my next video will be about actually bringing data into this and how we can manipulate it. So don't get overwhelmed. We're going to go step by step, but this will kind of get you hooked on the power of business intelligence. Talk to you soon.